Do you want to get your website ranked in Google in less than 10 minutes? Yes, this is not a joke. No, it's not completely a joke. And let me be honest with you. Yes, there is a method through which you can rank your website in Google in even 10 minutes or even lesser than this. Yes, it's true. And in this video, I will show you a technique, a formula. If you apply this to your website, you can get your website ranked in less than 10 minutes. For those who don't know, Google is the world's largest search engine, and many people search their queries on Google to get it solved. I know almost everyone know about Google, but just a slight recall. Now, what I'm going to tell you is a method which I have personally tried and tested, and yes, it works. Let me be honest with you, because before sharing with you guys, I have used this method successfully, not on one, two, but many websites. Now, I also used on many of my client's website, and I was able to get my website ranked as well as my client's website ranked. So there is no extra expense for this method, no cost, no additional charges. It's just a free formula. If you apply it wisely, you can be ranking on even very competitive keywords, while your competitors may have to work on creating backlinks, getting more authority, trust for their domain, trying different things, improving content, working on user experience. Yes, all these things matter. I'm not saying that this does not matter, they do take part as well. But the method I'm sharing you is actually a secret formula, a slight twist which can help you in getting your website ranked on Google without any extra charges, without any extra hard work, no hidden cost, and it takes less than 10 minutes to do it. So let's get started with me on the formula. Okay, for those who don't know, this formula is created by this blogger, also a freelancer and a digital marketer and an SEO expert. I'm not sure if I call him a blogger, but I'm sure that he's an SEO expert. And the formula he created was back in 2015, and I personally tried it and it worked for me. So I am sharing with you guys as well the formula of Salman Beg, which is time roid technique. Yeah, it used to work before, and now even it's a 2022 11 September, and it's working even right now, and it will work in future as well. Okay, let me share with you now, because it's 11 September, so it means like October, November, December. We are 3 months away from 2023. So now still many people are working on creating articles for this year. This formula is Toimroid, means working before time. Now, rather creating content for 2022, you should create content for 2023 on which no one is working. All of your competitors are working for 2022, and this formula you are going to apply for next year, and that is how you are going to win on your competitors. Now let me show you my own experience, and then we can discuss. For instance, let me open this Ignito window, and now let me open Google. Okay, I wanted to rank my website for evergreen niche, and now what I did was I added the word 2022 in back in 2021. Okay, when I added that, which helped me in ranking my website for here. Now you can see that I am ranking on second position for this keyword, and not only with year but without year as well. I am ranking on first page. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can see this me, you can see me at 8 number, 7 or 8 number here. Yeah, 8 number here. I'm been ranked now. How I was able to get it ranked was targeting a year before. Now because it's 2022 and you should create articles for 2023. Now if you will create article on, let's say, how to start blogging in 2022, this keyword is already tough, exaggerated, but rather if you create a target keyword on how to start blogging in 2023, not only it will help you in ranking on how to start blogging in 23, but will also help you to rank for that term, targeted term, how to start blogging. So now what you have to do is you have to edit all your posts and add the next year in them, like how to start blogging 2023, how to be a YouTuber in 2023. Now rather creating content for current year, add the next year in your post in whatever you are content creating for, and this will help you rank for the next year. By right now, when everyone is working for 2020 through, you are working for 2023, and that is how you target your future, and that is the formula of Toyota technique, where with the help of focusing on future you can get your website ranked easily. Because these keywords, because no one is searching right now for 2023, means these keywords have lesser searches but also less keyword competition, keyword difficulty, which helps you in ranking them easily. And when you get ranked for how to be a YouTuber in 2023, you will be also able to rank for the term how to be a YouTuber. You can also do SEO structure, which I have discussed in my other posts, which can also help you. I have discussed about on-page SEO. I have also did a SEO audit. You can watch these videos on my SEO playlist on YouTube channel. Let me show that to you as well. When you open my channel, just go on playlist, and in playlist just open this SEO playlist, where I have discussed in detail regarding powerful SEO audit, SEO structure, which can help you on page SEO, SEO practices, SEO mistakes, which can help you in understanding and improving your SEO needs. So I hope I was able to tell you a technique. Now this technique is a very good technique and formula good to get your website ranked. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you and bye bye.